Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper lantern, or Bonbori in Japanese. For this we need a regular origami sheet of paper and a very small one that is about 4 centimeters square. We also need some tape, and later we'll need a pair of scissors. If you like our video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're gonna start with the origami paper, white side up, and fold it in half diagonally. Crease, unfold, and fold it along the other diagonal. Unfold, turn the model over, and we're going to fold it horizontally in half. And then vertically. Now, using the creases we've just made, we're going to flatten the model. And now we have 4 flaps, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. And we're going to bring this flap to the middle line. And then do the same for the flap on the left. And turn the model over and do the same for the other 2 flaps. Now we're gonna turn the left flap to the right and turn the model over and do it one more time. Okay. Next, turn the left flap to the right and do the same for the reverse side. And now it looks like this. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles that will fold up and then insert. And this triangle, this flap, we fold it and then insert it. Turn the model over and fold this flap, insert it, and the last one. Now we need to cut 5 millimeters from the top to have an opening here, and we take the small sheet of paper and we roll it into a cone like this, and I'm gonna use some tape here. And then we'll insert it here at the top. This is it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time!